let's begin. You're going to need strawberries. You can get large, medium, small, whichever one works for you. I would recommend small. Now going in with these two foams, I got a cone and I got a block. We're going to need some chocolate melts. You can get any color you want. I'm going to focus on more Valentine's colors, a chocolate melter, toothpicks, and bundles of roses. I got two different colors, but whatever you guys want, whatever works for you. All right, so first let's begin. Let's melt some white chocolate. We're gonna dip our strawberry, then we're gonna use our block foam and stick the strawberry on there, and it's going to make it a lot easier. I went in with a toothpick first and then the strawberry, dipped it, all that. So now I'm going to add some pink sprinkles and just coat my strawberry. It's going to make the strawberry tower just pop, just because it's not just going to be just plain dipped strawberry. Plain dipped strawberries are going to be eye-catching as well, but the sprinkles, the pearls, all the different stuff is going to be beautiful. Now we're going to go in with pink chocolate and we're just going to dip it, stick it in the block foam so that it can dry. Again, I am going in with the toothpick and I'm just going to go in with my chocolate, swirl it around, make sure that it's coated very, very well. And again, these strawberries were huge, you guys. So like I mentioned in the beginning, you could do small, large, medium. I would recommend maybe like a small or medium so it's easier and you don't have to go in with a big stick like I did because they kept coming off of the toothpick. So going in with this big old thing, it helped a lot. So yeah, I don't know why the heck I was banging so hard on that poor strawberry. So I'm just going to stick it in the block foam and voila. So I'm going to go back in again, dip another strawberry, make sure that it's coated very well. And then again, we want these strawberries to pop, okay? So I'm going to go in with some pearl sprinkles and I'm just going to sprinkle this strawberry. And I loved how these strawberries looked. These ones in particular because they were so freaking pretty. Ooh, that slow motion. And it really just made the tower pop with this. So I did remove the leaves on the strawberry right here. You can remove it before, you can remove it after. It's really up to you. It's the same thing, but it's just whatever works, you know, less work, more work, whatever you prefer. So now I'm going in with the red sprinkles and I just... the red sprinkles are definitely my second favorite. They're so pretty and very scrumptious. So now I'm just showing you guys how to just remove the leaf after, you know, but do it after the chocolate is dry, okay? Don't do it during. So I'm just dipping some strawberries for me for later. And you see I had to use two toothpicks. These things were heavy. So now we're going to go in with our foam cone. I got it at Walmart. Everything that I'm talking about and mentioning, I got it at Walmart. Two of the flowers I did get at Dollar Tree though. So I'm going to just remove the rose and then I'm just going to stick it right in. It's so easy and it just, boom, it's done. You just stick it right in, boom, done. So then I'm going to go in with the Dollar Tree one and then stick that one in. So I'm going to try and go white, hot pink, white, hot pink, and just kind of like play with it. When you're doing this, do it however you want. Placement is really up to you. There's no right or wrong way. Whatever you prefer, whatever you like, okay? So I started at the top, placing the roses, placed them up top, and then I started adding some on the bottom as well, just because I didn't want to start all the way on the top and not have enough for the bottom. So yeah, it's really, again, up to you. Placement is all up to you and how you want to do everything. So here I'm going in with one of the strawberries. I'm going to add two of the toothpicks, shove them in there, and then put them in the foam, and voila. Look how freaking cute that is, you guys. I was so freaking excited. Like, this came out so beautiful. So I'm just going to stick one of the petals in there. And again, I'm trying to go white, hot pink, white, hot pink. Look at these pearl strawberries, okay? Tell me this doesn't pop. Boom, in your face. This pops so freaking much, and it really just gave this flower tower an extra, like, woojon. Like, it looks so freaking gorgeous, you guys. I was really happy with how it came out. So I'm just going to continue just to do rose, rose, strawberry, rose, rose, strawberry, and all that good stuff. Like I mentioned earlier, the strawberries being really heavy, I had to have my baby come and hold the cone because it kept tipping over. So I would definitely recommend something a lot smaller than these big old strawberries because it was just, it's very heavy, so you have to kind of make sure that you have enough and it evens out and all that good stuff. But I would just recommend going in with some smaller strawberries because these are huge, but they definitely made the tower pop even more. Like they blended in with the roses perfectly. So it's kind of like, it's really up to you. I like it. I love it. But again, up to you on what size you want and all that good stuff. So as I was applying the roses and strawberries, I found a little hack. So what I did is apply the toothpick and then I applied the rose, and oh my gosh, you guys, that was such a lifesaver. The roses did not fall off because I was having a problem with them like falling off and stuff. So doing it that way definitely helped. And then I did the same thing with the strawberries. On some of them I would add the toothpick first and then shove the strawberry on top, and then it would work that way too. So it just depended. It just, I don't know, just depended on how big the strawberry was and stuff, like if it was gonna work or not, because I needed 2 toothpicks at times and sometimes one I could get away with it. But yeah, so I'm showing you guys here. I applied the toothpick and then I just slid the rose on and I was like, voila, so freaking happy. That worked and all that good stuff. So I did run out of roses, so I had to run to the Dollar Tree. I did pick up 2 more of the hot pink. I didn't want to get the white because the white that they had was kind of dingy, like a dingy white, and I didn't want that because the white that I have right here is kind of like a white, kind of pinkish white. So since this is just for the back, I was like, I'm gonna do it all hot pink. It's okay. So yeah, take that into consideration, how many bundles you might need. So for this tower with the big strawberries, I needed 5 bundles. So I got a big one at Walmart, the big bundle, the hot pink, not the hot pink, the pinkish white was $3. And then I needed, I believe, yeah, 4 of the hot pink from Dollar Tree. So take that into consideration so that you won't have to like do what I did and have the whole bag looking like hot. But it's still a cute, you know. I was like, it's still a cute. I liked it. I know when I give it to my baby's gonna like it. It's really cute. I love this whole tower of strawberries and roses. You can do it even with real roses, you guys. You can definitely get creative with this. You don't have to use the colors that I use. You can use other colors. It's so freaking cute. So I'm washing my hands right now so I could do like a whole like display of it and twirl it for you guys. I loved it. I love the way this came out. Super cute, something different. I do have the box of chocolate videos if you guys want to see that one, if you guys prefer that one, or if you want to do something like this. Again, it's just, I love it. I love it. It's so different, and the strawberries definitely bring another like to it, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this do-it-yourself strawberry tower. I know I loved creating it and doing it for you guys. It seriously brought out the creative side. I'm like, oh, now I'm going to see what else I can create and stuff, because this really made me happy and it looks so freaking cute. Like just on the counter and stuff, I just kept looking at it like, oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. When my babies came, they saw and they're like, oh my gosh, that's so nice. So just imagine doing it before you have like guests over and stuff. Dip some chocolates and then just add it to like a cone and stuff and like some roses and stuff around it. Boom, eye-catching, and you know your guests are gonna be like, dang, look at her, she get down in the kitchen, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.